In this video lecture, we are going to see a question from the chapter probability. This question is taken from SCERT textbook as well as NCERT textbook, that is, it is present for SSC as well as CBSE. For SSC students, it is exercise 13.2, question number 7, and for CBSE students, it is exercise 15.1, question number 15. From the chapter probability, maths class 10. So the question is, 5 cards, the 10, jack, queen, king, and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with the face downwards. One card is selected at random. First bit, what is the probability that the card is the queen? Second bit, if the queen is selected and put aside without replacement, what is the probability that the second card selected is number A, an ace, and number B, a queen? So, observe this question. In this question, you can observe that 5 cards and diamonds are given. What are 5 cards and diamonds? For that, you should have knowledge on cards. Right. That is, there are totally 52 playing cards, and in that 52 cards, as you can see on the screen, there are totally 13 cards in one group, and there are 4 groups. Okay, that is, there are 4 groups consisting of 13 cards each, of which they are clubs, diamonds, clubs, spades, hearts, and diamonds. So you can say that, see here that clubs and spades are black in color and hearts and diamonds are red in color. That is, 2 groups are red color and other 2 groups are black color. So in that you can observe that each group is consisting of 13 cards, and in that 13 card, each group is compulsory consisting of king, queen, jack, ace, and then it is having 9 cards from 2 to 10. That is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 also. Right. So in that, from that is a knowledge of cards. Right. Now from that knowledge, it is asking you in the question that from that 52 cards, it is just taking 5 cards in the question, and that 5 cards belong to the group diamond. And what are the 5 cards he has taken? 10, jack, queen, king, and ace. So I have written here, from diamonds group, he has taken 10. 10 means this number 10 card, jack, J, queen, Q, king, K, ace, A. That is, these are represented on the card by these denotions, by this number and this alphabets. These are represented on the card. So here it is asking, what is the probability that the card is the queen? So when I take out a card from this 5, what is the chance that I will get a queen? So the chance that I will get a queen is only 1, because how many queens are there in this 10, jack, queen, king, and ace? There is only 1 queen. And how many cards are there totally? 5 cards are given, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total outcomes, that is equals to total cards is equals to 5, and number of variable outcomes, that is, what is it asking me? It is asking me the probability that the card is queen. So number of variable outcomes is equals to number of queens is equals to 1. Now, what is the probability that the card is queen means? Probability that the card is queen is, formula is number of variable outcomes by total outcomes. So what is number of variable outcomes here? 1. And what is total outcomes here? 5. So the answer is 1 by 5. Now in the second bit, it is asking me if the queen is selected and put aside without replacement. If the queen is selected and put aside without replacement means, suppose let us take again 10, jack, queen, king, ace. These are taken, already we are taking out queen in the first bit, right? We are taking out queen, and it is telling, after taking out that queen, we are putting it aside. Putting it aside means we are not replacing that. That is, we are just taking out, and we are, instead of queen, we are not putting another card in this group. We are just taking out that queen from this. Queen is no longer in this set of cards. So how many cards are remaining if I take out queen from this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cards are there. So the second bit, total cards, that is total outcomes, are 4. And how many are number of variable outcomes? That is how many? Second bit, what is it? Again in second bit I have 2 bits, A bit and B bit. It is asking me, after I take out queen from this set of cards, and if I don't replace this queen back, then it is asking me, what is the probability that that second card which I take is ace? So how many aces are there? Even if I take out 1 queen, there is only 1 ace, right? See here, there is only, in this, if I take out queen from this, there is only 1 ace. Right. So the chance that there is an ace is number of variable outcomes, there is number of aces only 1, because there is only 1 ace in this, even if I take out 1 queen. So probability that the second card is ace is number of variable outcomes by total outcomes. That is the formula. You have to write that formula. And then number of variable outcomes here is 1, that is by total outcomes is 4. So the probability that the second card is ace is 1 by 4 because there is only one ace here and the total cards are 4 after replacing queen. Now let us move to the second bit. In the second bit, if you observe, what is the question being asked? What is the probability that it is a queen? So after taking out queen from this group, is there any queen left? No. There is no queen left after I take out queen from this. See here, 10 is there, here jack is there, here king is there, here ace is there. After taking out queen, there is no queen left. So number of favorable outcomes, there is number of queens in the B bit. Is number of favorable outcomes, there is number of queens are 0. Why 0? Because there are no queens left after I take out one queen from this. And how many total cards after I take out queen? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are only there. So total outcomes are 4. What I have to find out here? Probability that card is queen. Formula is number of favorable outcomes by total outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes here are 0, but total outcomes here are 4. So 0 by 4 is 0. So answer is 0. So the probability that the card is queen, the second card is queen is 0. That is my B bit. And this was my A bit. Probability that second card is ace. Okay. So hope you have understood this question and hope you have found this cards question useful and helpful. If you found this problem helpful and if you have understood this video, please support us by liking our channel and also by subscribing our channel if you have understood this video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay blessed.